thank you very much for this. Waterproofing Direct. We've had an opportunity to showcase our product, both our signature sheet membrane and our flagship product, the 38FC from Gripset. And in just an hour, we've been able to smash out this bathroom, and it looks a treat. It looks exactly how it should, and the guys that have used it for the first time, they're over the moon with it. So I think we have another happy customer here to stay. So as you can see, here's the finished product. So tomorrow they can, or even in an hour, they can do a quick final coat, sort out the angles, and that is one sealed for good bathroom. Thanks guys.